Hey there, fellow home cooks! Ever feel like you're throwing away more food than you're eating? Meal prep can be a lifesaver for busy families, but it often generates a lot of waste. What if I told you that with a few simple shifts, you could turn your meal prep into a zero-waste superpower? It all starts before you even hit the grocery store. Take a quick inventory of your fridge and pantry first. Then plan your meals for the week around what you already have and what's on sale. Create a detailed grocery list and stick to it. This prevents impulse buys and ensures you only purchase what you truly need, cutting down on forgotten produce wilting in the back of the fridge. When you shop, bring your own reusable bags and produce sacks. Consider buying staples like grains, nuts, and dried fruit in bulk bins to reduce packaging waste. It often saves money too. Once home, proper storage is crucial for extending freshness. Store herbs in a glass of water, wrap leafy greens in a damp cloth, and keep fruits and vegetables separate to prevent premature ripening. Now for the fun part, making everything count. Don't toss those broccoli stems or carrot tops. They're perfect for making vegetable broth, adding to stir fries, or even blending into pesto. Think about root-to-stem cooking. Leftover cooked grains can become a quick fried rice. Stale bread transforms into croutons or breadcrumbs. Embrace recipes that use up those common odds and ends. Leftovers aren't just for reheating. Get creative. That extra roasted chicken can become tacos or a hearty soup. Leftover mashed potatoes can be turned into crispy potato cakes. Invest in reusable food wraps and containers instead of single-use plastic. Glass containers, silicone bags, and beeswax wraps are fantastic for storing prepped ingredients and leftovers, keeping them fresh longer. Even with the best intentions, some food waste is unavoidable. That's where composting comes in. Start a small compost bin for fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Composting enriches your garden soil and diverts waste from landfills. Every little bit helps us nurture sustainable habits, save money, and make our family kitchens more efficient and eco-friendly.